Welcome to episode 29. Core.async, channels and Go blocks, CSP-style concurrency, Clojure flavor. Channels are FIFO queues. Go blocks are lightweight processes that cooperate through them. Put values in with greater than bang. Take them out with less than bang. No shared state, no locks, just messages. Core.async is an external dep, one line in deps.edn. The code, a 3-slot channel, one producer Go block, one consumer Go loop reading until the channel closes. Start the REPL. Require core.async. We'll use chan, put, take, go, and close. Make an unbuffered channel. A many-to-many channel. Any thread can put or take. A Go block puts hello. Go itself returns a channel for the result. Take it off with blocking bang. Hello. A buffered channel, 3 slots. Put 3 values, then close the channel. Take them out. 1, 2, 3. Order preserved. Channel closed. Take returns nil. That's how consumers know to stop. Control D. CLJ-M:\run the full pipeline. 5 messages flow from producer to consumer, then the channel closes. Quick recap. A channel is a FIFO queue. Unbuffered or buffered. Go blocks put and take with parking ops, no real thread blocks. From outside a Go block, use the double bang versions, those actually block the thread. Close a channel to signal end of stream, takes return nil. Next up, the concurrency decision guide. When to use each primitive. Thanks for watching episode 29. Channels decouple producers from consumers and scale to many of each. Next, episode 30. Picking the right concurrency primitive.